Take a bunch. Work it. Work it. You're doing great. You're doing great.
For your safety and enjoyment during the concert, please remain seated, hold on to your lap bar, and do not try to twist, rock, or grab.
Because this is the baby drop.
There be squirrels ahead, and Davy Jones waiting for them. What don't you think?
Oh, there you go. Like I'm in the mummy ride.
Faster. It'd be too late to alter course, mateys. And there be plundering pirates lurking in every cove, waiting to open.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Power's blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer's about...
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you
and the resistance.
Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? Got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
Never leave anyone behind.
So this is Platoon Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors.
Okay, and hurry.
Rescue Bravo here. We have eyes on two pods descending.
Roger that, Bravo.
They're coming in high over Sector 5.
Got first one patrols on the ridge, Bravo.
I see him. We're keeping to the tree line.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great.
It's just nice looking fish. Do I look like the correct name? I didn't. Oh, because it is proper.
Set off insertion.
Pretty bad at
First vote, and now this.
This is fun! Goodness gracious!
Steel honey, beware.
It's an app I got. This is recording.
Citizens of Mindy's Toontown be aware of the weasels. They're just not nice.
Why? Edmund, this is a shot out of the weekend in Las Vegas.
Let out your white flag, you scurvy scum! Bring me Captain Jack's money, or I'll be sending you to Davy Jones. We will never surrender! You are broadside! Pound them, lads! Pound them! We're going to sink your ship! Jack Sparrow, show this fucking with one bird! Strike your colors, you bloomin' cockroaches! Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow, or my thunder will burn the city to the ground!
And place them in the bins that have been provided for you.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad y para...
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want a location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
The ship no longer the first order. Get out. Oh, it's probably.
No, absolutely not. Your interrogation awaits